So hello guys, today I will teach you how to add avatars in Roblox Studio this 2024. So please watch carefully and follow my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First, open your Roblox Studio and always check if your toolbox is on. You will see here in view and click the toolbox like that. So first, go to toolbox. You will see here in the left side, click the models, switch to plugins, and search character load, and choose this, the free. Don't choose the like this, there's a price, don't choose that. Choose the free here. You will install it. After you install it, go to here, plugins, click the plugins, and you will see here load character. You will click it, then search your name in Roblox. So my name in Roblox is Omir. I will search it like that. So this is my avatar in Roblox. So choose one in here, if R16 or R15. So I choose R15. And your avatar will spawn if you click R6. And this is R6. That's it. That's how you add avatars in Roblox Studio. So very easy, and simple. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.